How to allow or don't allow making changes to driving focus on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now from here, we scroll down, then tap on Driving Focus. From the list here, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So select one of the options. Now when you are making a change to the settings in here, it may ask you to enter in a screen time passcode. So when you see this screen, do enter in the password or the passcode, and this will allow the change to apply. After that, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.